Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import and place multiple images at once in Figma. This is incredibly useful when you're working with galleries, mood boards, or any design that requires multiple image placeholders set up quickly and efficiently. First, open your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to the project or file where you want to import and place your images. This could be an existing design you're working on or a fresh canvas ready for your visual content. Next, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the rectangle shape tool. Once selected, drag it across your frame to create a rectangle. This rectangle will serve as the placeholder for your first image, so size it according to your design needs. Now here's where it gets efficient. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the rectangle you just created. This will duplicate it. Keep doing this to create as many rectangle placeholders as the number of images you want to import. For example, if you need 6 images, create 6 rectangles. Spacing them out evenly at this stage will save you time later. Once all your rectangles are in place, go back to the bottom toolbar, click on the arrow down icon beside the rectangle shape tool. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Images/Videos. This option tells Figma you want to fill these shapes with visual content rather than solid colors. Your file browser will now open up. This is where you select the images you want to import. Click on the first image you want to use. Then, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on additional images one by one. This multi-select function allows you to choose all your images in one go, which is what makes this process so time-saving. After you've selected all the images you need, click the Open button. Figma will now load these images and prepare them for placement. Finally, click on one of the rectangles you created earlier. As soon as you do, Figma will fill that rectangle with one of the images you selected. Continue clicking each rectangle in sequence, and Figma will populate each one with the next image in your selection. The images are placed in the order you selected them from your file browser, and that's it. You've successfully imported and placed multiple images at once in Figma, streamlining your workflow and saving valuable design time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.